Hello friends, what causes a timing chain failure? On some cars, when the chain jumps, the pistons bend or even break the valve. The chain jumps due to the fact that it is stretched, and the chain tensioner can no longer compensate for the stretching respectively. The chain tension drops, it jumps, and the pistons contact the valve. Such contact can be very expensive for you, up to completely replacement of the engine. So no matter what you have, a chain or belt, both of them need regularly monitoring and timely replacement. Unfortunately, noise from under the hood is not only that threatens you and your car. Above we describe the variant of chain jump due to which the car stalls tightly. This cause of event is much more dangerous than it might seem. Imagine that you stall into onto the parking lot near the house, but on busy highway. The pictures immediately changing right. In fact, it's even worse because when the engine stops working, the following happens. The brakes fail. When the engine stalls, the vacuum brake booster stops working. Wedge steering wheel. When the engine stalls, the power steering stops working. In reality, the steering wheel does not wedge, but the sensations are just that. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.